every hour. Today gonna do magic milk experiment. Don't forget safety first. Before we start, what happened in the milk? What dish soap? We start, we need shallow plate and milk and food color and dish soap and cotton buds. First, milk put in the shallow plate and put. Some drops put color. Put it up. And this one with I put some. And then you drip the buds in the dish soap. Finally, the cotton buds in the milk. Flip it on. Boing. You put a dish soap in the milk. Looks like dancing. Boing, 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 boing. Without food color, you can't see. Milk, it's like dancing. Milk made with proteins and fat. You put dish soap in the milk, put in the water, spread it apart.
Did you know that coronavirus, like COVID-19, is like milk? According to Dr. Pali Torgerson, the virus tends to be made up of three things: protein, fats, and nucleic acid. That is hard to break up but susceptible to changes like milk. It is through the soap, which is good at dissolving fat, that surround the virus. In Tony's experiment, we are able to break down the water and the fats from the milk by adding soap in it. Because soap has fat-like compound, when Tony dipped the buds with soap in the milk, the fat molecules in the milk run around and try to attach to the fat molecules in the soap, creating bursting of color. When there is no movement, all the fat molecules have been dissolved. That is why, to fight off COVID-19, you have to wash your hands properly for 20 seconds with soap and water to kill off any viruses from your skin's surface and fall apart and be able to prevent them from spreading. Ako po si Quentin, ligtas ang may alam.
Hope you learn, enjoy! Bye-bye!
Keep safe, everyone!